I'm Jeffrey Anthony, a co-founding partner, chief technology officer, and technology practice leader here at Synaptic Consulting. I'd like to briefly tell you about our service-marked risk-modulated project management methodology, or RMPM. RMPM has empowered our clients to slash time to market on the order of 25%, improve estimation accuracy of both product cost and project cost by 20 to 30%, and reduce annualized field failure rates by more than 20% on average. We have a great many case studies, white papers, numerous in-depth video tutorials on exactly how RMPM does that. But we've been asked by project managers and our client organizations to prepare a brief executive summary overview that talks about primarily the benefits of RMPM for them to present to their vice presidents and to their C-suite level management teams. So I thought I'd come in on a Saturday morning and do an informal, largely unscripted, except for a couple things here on this notepad, and tell you at the 30,000 foot level what RMPM can bring to your organization. Let's take a walk to the conference room and I'll tell you a little bit more about it. Agile methods work great, except for on larger or more complex projects, when Agile's loose structure and iterative nature produces shaky architectures that require extensive rework from latter parts of the project through to the very end. Traditional plan-driven methods like PMBOK work great too, except for when they add significant project management bureaucratic overhead that you just don't really need, especially when you're trying to be first to market. The more complex problem is that it's rare that a single project is perfect for Agile methods or perfect for plan-driven methods. Usually, parts of a project are right for Agile and other parts are right for plan-driven methodologies. The tough part is determining which parts need which and how much. And then there are the time-honored management worries. How do I know we're developing something the customer really wants? I just don't have a clear enough picture of where the project really stands. I know there are project challenges, but I don't have enough information to marshal the resources to help. How do I know I can rely on project cost and schedule estimations? And how do I know that we won't find some disasters at final testing that will significantly set back the project and bust the schedule? And bust the budget. As a global technology vice president at a $1 billion plus company for more than a decade, I asked all those questions too, and I didn't always get an answer. So when I co-founded Synaptic, I started to think about how we could develop a project management framework as opposed to a project management methodology that adapted itself to the unique needs of each and every project to which it was applied, and which built in detailed, real-time reporting custom-tailored to each management level and the needs of each individual manager, and one that built in quality and reliability at every step, not just tried and hoped to test it in at the end. The short form is that risk-modulated project management takes in all pertinent data about your project and supplies the right customized project methodology to meet its unique needs and challenges. RMPM has 7 components that do this. Number 1, the Empowered Customer Innovation, or ECI, requirements methodology. ECI combs product requirements from the input of all business functions within your target customers' organizations and their counterparts in your own, because the elements of successful products are defined very differently by functions such as sales and marketing, R&D, finance, and operations. ECI uses the power of focus groups, traditionally used in advertising, for a deep dive discovery of customer needs, pulling facts from guesses to provide a 360-degree view of real product requirements. It ranks functions and features by return on investment to avoid wasted cost, effort, and time. Number 2, the Risk Radar Risk Assessment and Mitigation Methodology. Risk Radar provides continuous multidisciplinary risk assessment and mitigation planning for all project activities by determining criticality and magnitude of risks before they become problems and before they derail schedule and budget. It identifies risks against an extensive library of predefined risk categories as well as custom user-defined risks unique to your organization. It then weights those risks by probability of occurrence and the distribution of potential loss scenarios. Number 3, the Informed Targeting Schedule Estimation Methodology. Informed targeting combines the use of industry-proven Delphi techniques, three-point estimation, the functional point method, and a host of other methods to create a system where the accuracy power is greater than the sum of the parts. Of course, it's difficult to estimate a piece of design if no one in your organization has developed one like it. For this reason, Synaptics makes available a vast database compiled by industry partners around the globe of validated time metrics from tens of thousands of projects over the last 2 to 3 years. It includes the implementation time of virtually every conceivable type of hardware design and software class, method, design pattern, etc., encountered in virtually every type of system design. What your organization hasn't already done, it can learn from the experiences of other organizations that have. So when it comes to schedule and cost estimation, you're never shooting in the dark. Number 4, the Project Pulse project execution methodology. Project Pulse is the day-to-day execution mechanism of risk-modulated project management. It rebalances agile and plan-driven methods for sub-projects to minimize project management overhead to the lowest possible level at any given point in the project, while, at the same time, maintaining the highest levels of effectiveness. Project Pulse serves as the heartbeat of RMPM, ensuring the right things get done at the right time by the right people. Number 5, the Alert Broadcast Management Reporting Methodology. Alert Broadcast is a rich portfolio of reporting templates, finely tailored and customizable to meet the near real-time project-related business intelligence needs of all levels of management, in all enterprise functions, and of all types of stakeholders, both internal and external. Alert Broadcast is triggered at any desired interval by Project Pulse and provides highly actionable, up-to-the-minute intelligence to empower managers to intervene and assist when necessary. Many of our clients have christened it the enterprise-wide DO line of project management. Number 6, the Bedrock Quality Assurance Methodology. Bedrock Quality codifies a standardized process of unit testing, integration testing, which is especially important in development under agile-like environments, regression testing, and acceptance testing, involving all internal and external stakeholders for a no-compromise level of rigor. RMPM's Bedrock Quality methodology has consistently empowered our clients to reduce field failure rates by, on average, more than 20%. It builds in quality at every step of the project, not just relying on occasional ad hoc and final testing. Number 7, finally, the Legacy Learning Continuous Improvement Methodology. Legacy learning ensures that institutional wisdom is preserved and carried forward from project to project and from contributor to contributor. It's performed at the beginning and end of each project, and Synaptic recommends that it be performed periodically throughout every project, on the order of every month. Executed diligently, legacy learning ensures that this project will be more successful than the previous project, and that every project will be more successful than the last. The bottom line is that risk-modulated project management can bring to your business quantitative results of slashing time to market on the order of 25%, improving estimation accuracy of both product cost and schedule by 20 to 30%, and reducing annual field failure rates by more than 20% on average year on year. RMPM does all that as well as equally important qualitative results of building a durable culture of delivery across the enterprise, breaking down silos to put all players from all business functions, both within your organization and within your customers, truly on the same team, and thus bringing client businesses into closer communication and tighter, more productive collaboration with their customers than ever before. Thank you for your attention. For a more detailed information package on risk-modulated project management, visit us at synapticconsulting.info/RMPM. Or, for more general information on Synaptic's technology, manufacturing, product cost reduction, and business intelligence practices, see us at synapticconsulting.info. Or call us at 866-318-3302. Synaptic, the results you want, sooner.
Synaptic Consulting's finance and technology practices offer consulting, training, and business process outsourcing services throughout the Americas and the European Union, delivered by its partners, associates, and subsidiaries. For more service portfolio information, please visit Synaptic on the web at www.synapticconsulting.info or phone at 866-318-3302. Synaptic Consulting, delivering the results you want, sooner.